I wish I were bigger and braver.
What happened?
I found a baby bird, but I am too scared to go closer.
Being brave does not mean you are not scared. It means you help anyway.
Can you believe that you can create your own AI animated cartoon series in just 10 minutes? And quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve that. So let's head over to our browser. You click on ChatGPT. Once you're into ChatGPT, click on open new chat. And then once you open new chat, you're going to type in the prompt like the prompt I did. I'm going to show you what I typed in to achieve what I want to achieve. And then I'll show you, you can see here, ChatGPT gave me, this is the prompt I gave ChatGPT. And then it now generated a script for me. So now I have my script. I look at the script. Okay, it's something I like. Actually, I'm just using the script for demo purposes, right? So next I tell it to write it out in scenes for image generation as well as their dialogues. So it now writes it out and shows me the dialogue that it's going to say at each point. I like the script, so I'm going to take it. I copy out the script, head over to Gemini. I love Gemini for AI image generation. Or you can take your script to any of your AI image generation platforms, right? So I took it over to Gemini, and then I copied the script and I put it directly on Gemini. Just the script I copied from ChatGPT. Now the difference is I added a little sentence at the end of it, telling Gemini to generate the image from image 1, scene by scene, right? Because it already has my script. So it generated the first image for me, as you can see the image here. But the thing is, if I don't like how the image it looks like, or if I wanted to zoom it in, I can always say zoom it in, zoom it out, or something like that. Yeah, so it did that. Then I headed over to, I just said generate scene 2, scene 3. So it did that, as you can see, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7. So it generated the entire scenes for me, right? Then I took it over now to Grok AI. I love Grok AI for video generation, or you can use any of your favorite video generation platforms. I put it now on Grok, and simply on Grok, as I put my image there, I went back to ChatGPT and copied out the script, the script that it gave me scene by scene. So I copied the script of scene 1 and matched it with the image of scene 1 for it to generate the video for me. But the difference is that I also told it to because I realized the images are generated were a little bit far, but I wanted it to be a little bit closer, right? So all I told it was try to zoom it in a little bit closer, which it did, and I was pleased with it. That was how I did that one. And then I went over to generate scene 2 in the same way. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue of scene 2 and put it there, and then generated the image, as you can see here. So if there's something I don't like, I can always fix it, right? Like I can always write there, maybe zoom it in closer or make it slowly. And I could also tell it that make the narrator talk slowly. Like you can just tell it however you want it to do the videos. After that, I generated the videos for scene 3, scene 4. So that's how you can just keep generating the videos, right? And that's how you get the videos. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always go back and edit it and tell it like fix this place, just simply like that. So after finishing all of those things, you're gonna head over to CapCut. I use CapCut for my video editing. Copy out those you download first of all from Grok, and then you go now to CapCut, put those videos there now to put it together to form a story. And the thing with CapCut is that it has animations. You can animate your videos however you want them to be, put it together, intro, outro, whatever you want it to, or however you want it to be. And then you can also put labels to your videos so that people do not steal your videos. Yeah, so play around with you can increase the volume, you can reduce the volume, you can reduce background noise. I'm going to maybe do a particular tutorial about CapCut or about how editing on CapCut itself can be. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you can create your own AI animated series, for storytelling or for cartoons. Yeah, so that's how basically it works. So once you're done, you can export the video, or you save the video and export it to your phone, and then you upload it on your platform, or the platform of your choice. So that's how you can create AI animated cartoons in just 10 minutes. It's very fast, like very, very fast. You don't have to stress about it, right? So let me know if you've watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please consider subscribing. You would love it here because you're going to learn a lot. Please like and please share it with somebody. Do not keep this information. Share with many people, that people who are willing to have this information but they don't know the right platform to go. Now that you found it, please share with others. And thank you for watching. Until my next video. Bye bye.
I wish I were bigger and braver. Eek! What was that?
Benny was afraid of loud sounds, big shadows, and anything new.
Help! Help!
Oh no, someone needs help. Benny, what happened?
I found a baby bird, but I am too scared to go closer.
Being brave does not mean you are not scared. It means you help anyway.